Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most outrageous SUV builds of the year. From its dramatic exterior design to its ultra-modern interior and monstrous power figures, the Mansory Zeekr 9X Black Edition takes Chinese luxury SUVs to an entirely different level. Starting with the exterior, this thing looks absolutely unreal. The Black Edition receives a full forged carbon fiber body package that completely changes the personality of the Zeekr 9X. The redesigned front bumper, illuminated grille, sharp LED light signature, and aggressive aerodynamic elements make it look more like a concept vehicle from the future than a traditional luxury SUV. The side profile is equally impressive. Huge black multi-spoke wheels, extended wheel arches, gloss black accents, and low, sporty proportions give the SUV an incredibly commanding presence on the road. Every angle feels bold, futuristic, and expensive. At the rear, Mansory adds a redesigned diffuser, aerodynamic spoiler elements, and exclusive LED lighting details that perfectly complete the stealth-inspired Black Edition look. Open the doors, and you're welcomed into a cabin that feels closer to a VIP private jet than a family SUV. Premium quilted leather, ambient lighting, forged carbon trim, illuminated Mansory badging, and massive digital displays create an atmosphere of modern luxury everywhere you look. Rear passengers enjoy executive-class comfort with spacious seating, advanced entertainment features, and premium materials covering nearly every surface. This is clearly designed for customers who want both technology and exclusivity in one package. Of course, the technology is just as impressive as the design. The 2026 Mansory Zeekr 9X Black Edition features advanced driver assistance systems, intelligent AI-powered controls, a next-generation infotainment setup, and an ultra-modern electric platform engineered for both performance and long-distance comfort. And speaking of performance, this SUV is shockingly fast. Reports suggest the high-performance electric powertrain can produce well over 1,000 horsepower, delivering explosive acceleration that rivals some modern supercars. Instant electric torque, advanced all-wheel drive, and high-speed stability make this massive SUV feel far more athletic than its size would suggest. Even with all that performance, the Zeekr 9X still focuses heavily on comfort and refinement, offering a smooth and quiet driving experience expected from a true luxury flagship. Now let's talk about price. The standard Zeekr 9X already competes in the premium luxury SUV segment, but the Mansory Black Edition is on an entirely different level. With its extensive carbon fiber upgrades, handcrafted interior customization, and limited production exclusivity, the final price could easily reach several $100,000 depending on specification. The 2026 Mansory Zeekr 9X Black Edition officially made its global debut during the Beijing Auto Show, immediately becoming one of the most talked about custom luxury SUVs of the year.